Rapid SCADA is a powerful platform for industrial automation and control, but before installing it, we need to set up a few prerequisites. First, we need to enable Internet Information Services, or IIS, which is required for Rapid SCADA to run properly. To do this, open the control panel, go to Programs, then click on Turn Windows Features on or off. In the list that appears, find and check the box next to Internet Information Services. You can leave the default child component selected. Once you've done that, click OK and let Windows apply the changes. Next, we need to install the ASP.NET Core Runtime 8.0.x hosting bundle and the .NET Desktop Runtime. These components are essential for running Rapid SCADA. I've attached the link to this document below in the video description. As of the time of this video, the latest ASP.NET Core Runtime is version 8.0.15. Go to the Windows section and download the hosting bundle. Once it finishes downloading, run the setup and follow the installation steps. Next, download the .NET Desktop Runtime, version 8.0.15, by clicking the x64 installer. After it downloads, run the setup and complete the installation. As you can see, I've already installed the .NET Desktop Runtime, so the Install button isn't available. However, for demonstration purposes, I'll click the Repair button. Once you've installed both runtimes, let's verify that everything is set up correctly in IIS. Open the control panel again, go to System and Security, then Administrative Tools and launch Internet Information Services, IIS Manager. In the left panel, expand your server node and click on Modules. Scroll through the list and look for ASP.NET Core Module v2. This module is essential for running ASP.NET Core apps. If you don't see it listed, go back and reinstall the hosting bundle, then check again. Now we're ready to install Rapid SCADA. Download the distribution package. Once the download is complete, unzip the package to a folder of your choice. Inside, you'll find a file called scadasetup.exe. Right-click this file and choose Run as Administrator. This will open the Rapid SCADA installer. That's it. You've now completed the setup of Rapid SCADA on your Windows machine. You can now start building your SCADA applications and monitoring your systems in real time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. The download links and documentation are all in the description below. See you in the next video.